Welcome back to InfyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting and challenging question from rational equations. Here we have to find out all real solutions. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0. So our answer x cannot be negative 3 over 2 and negative 2 over 3. Now I will take 3 common from the denominator itself. So I can write 3x plus 2 over 3 is common, in bracket 2x plus 3 whole cube plus 2x plus 3 is common, 3x plus 2 whole cube equal to 2 over 3 or 1 over 27 times 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 whole cube plus 1 over 27 times 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 2 whole cube equal to 2 over 3. Now let us multiply both sides by 27. So I can write here times 27, here also times 27. So I can cancel 3 and 27. So it will give us 9. So our RHS will become 18. And this 27 and denominator 27 will be over. So our equation will be 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 whole cube plus 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 2 whole cube equal to 18. Let us write here 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 whole cube plus 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 2 whole cube equal to 18. Let us say this bracket is equal to A and this bracket we will call B. So I can write my first equation. It will be A cube plus B cube equal to 18. Now I will find out A times B. So A is 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 and B is 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 2. So we can cancel 3x plus 2 with 3x plus 2 and 2x plus 3 with 2x plus 3. So it will be 1 only. So I can write my second equation AB equal to 1. First equation is A cube plus B cube equal to 18. Let's solve this new system of equations. So I can write A cube plus B cube equal to 18 with AB value 1. Now I'll be writing one algebraic identity A plus B whole cube. It is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB in bracket A plus B. Let us consider our substitution. Let's say A plus B is T. Now I will use A cube plus B cube 18, AB 1 and A plus B T. So I will get T cube equal to A cube plus B cube 18 plus 3 times AB is 1, A plus B is T. So I can write T cube is equal to 18 plus 3T, or our cubic equation will become T cube minus 3T minus 18 equal to 0. Let us solve this cubic equation using factorization method. So I will be writing here t cube minus 3t minus 18. We can write minus 27 plus 9 equal to 0. So I can write t cube minus 27, then minus 3t plus 9 equal to 0. Now here I can apply a cube minus b cube formula. 27 is 3 cube. So t minus 3, in other bracket t square plus 3t plus 9. And here I will take minus 3 common. So in bracket t minus 3 equal to 0. Now t minus 3, t minus 3. Let us take common. So in other bracket we can write t square plus 3t plus 9. It will be with minus 3. So t minus 3 times t square plus 3t plus 6 equal to 0. So conclusion from here, it will be t minus 3 equal to 0 or t square plus 3t plus 6 equal to 0. Let us solve both the equations one by one. So I will write t minus 3 equal to 0. So from here t equal to 3. And t was our substitution. So I can write a plus b equal to 3. This was the value of t. Now let us consider the second quadratic equation, t square plus 3t plus 6 equal to 0. I will check discriminant value only. It is b square minus 4ac. So 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 6. So 9 minus 24, which will give us negative 15. Discriminant is negative. It will generate complex solutions. So we can reject this quadratic equation. Rejected. So a plus b equal to 3 will be accepted one. Now I will write only two equations. A plus b equal to 3 and ab equal to 1. Now we can think about one quadratic equation whose roots are a and b. Then this is sum of roots. This is product of roots. So we can write equation in a itself. A square minus sum of roots, which is 3 here, times a plus product of roots, which is 1, equal to 0. Now I will apply quadratic formula. Minus b. So 3 plus minus square root of b square. So 9. Minus 4 times 1 times 1. 4. Divided by 2a. So 2. So 3 plus minus square root 5 over 2. Or I can write a will be equal to 3 plus root 5 over 2. 3 minus root 5 over 2. And a was our substitution, if you remember. This was our a. Let us write and solve. I will write here 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 equal to 3 plus root 5 over 2. 3 minus root 5 over 2. So I can write 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3 equal to 3 plus root 5 over 2. Let us solve this equation first. Cross multiply, I will get 6x plus 4 equal to 6x plus 9 plus 2 root 5x plus 3 square root 5. Now 6x and 6x will be over. Now I will take this 4 to the RHS. So it will become 2 square root 5 times x plus 3 square root 5 plus 5 equal to 0. Let us take root 5 common out. So I can get 2x plus 3 plus root 5 equal to 0. So from here I can write 2x plus 3 plus root 5 equal to 0, or 2x is equal to minus times 3 plus root 5. After dividing by 2 both sides, we will get x is equal to minus of 3 plus root 5 over 2. This is our first real solution. Now let us solve for the value of 3 minus root 5 over 2. So I will write here 3x plus 2 over 2x plus 3. It is equal to 3 minus root 5 over 2. Let us cross multiply. So 6x plus 4, it will be equal to 6x plus 9 minus 2 root 5x minus 3 root 5. Again we can cancel 6x and 6x. Now I will take this 4 to the RHS. So I will be having 5 minus 2 root 5x minus 3 root 5 equal to 0. Now let us take root 5 common out. So I will be having root 5 minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So I can write from here root 5 will be equal to 2x plus 3, or I can write root 5 minus 3, it will be equal to 2x, or x is equal to root 5 minus 3 divided by 2, or minus of in bracket 3 minus root 5 over 2. So if I will club both the solutions, then I can write my answer will become minus of 3 plus minus square root 5 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.